Hi everyone, let's make a really cute mini bento combo. Let's start with securing our cake with double-sided tape. Here I have my clean base, and here I'm going to make sure it sticks to the box properly. And here's the design the client wanted on her cake. I mixed a darker shade of pink so it really stands out. Here I'm drawing the nose and making sure it's a perfect shape and filling it up. When I'm satisfied with the shape, I smooth it out with a flat spatula so it looks really clean. And here I'm starting with the ears and then the other side and making sure it's aligned and then filling it up. Smooth out again with a flat spatula and make sure the edges look really clean. I prefer using chocolate ganache for drawing small details like this. I unlike using black icing or black frosting. It really does stain the cake, I think this is a better alternative. And here I'm writing the dedication. Let's secure our cupcake with a double-sided tape as well so it's safe for delivery. Look how perfect the cupcake is. Sticking it in and pulling it a little bit, make sure it's sticked properly. And of course, we can't forget the chocolate ganache on our cupcakes. It does really make a difference on the taste of the cake. And we're done. This is the final look, and this is what it looks when posted. There's more in our page. Make sure you follow us.